Hello lovely humans, Jen Foxbot here. I wanted to show you a super fun, simple circuit that you can build with just 3 parts. A coin cell battery, a little LED light, and a force sensing resistor. Are you ready for it? Whoa! Whoa, look at the light! So the more that I squeeze or press on the force sensing resistor, the brighter the light is, yay! Because the more force or pressure that you apply to this sensor, the less resistance that it has. So that's really all that's in this circuit. There's 3 parts and it's just a single series circuit loop. So check it out, force sensing resistors, or FSR for short. They're really, really fun. Go forth and play. Yay!